Howdy, my name is Andrea Ramirez. Welcome to the Maroon Out Museum. For today's gallery talk, I'll be talking about a decorative art piece from Korea during the Three Kingdoms period, which lasted from 57 BCE to 668 BCE. During the 5th and 6th centuries, Korea was divided between three kingdoms, being the Silla, Goryeo, and Baekje. The most powerful kingdom of the three was the Silla kingdom in the southeast. Korea was known as a country of gold. A lot of this gold could be found in the construction of crowns. These crowns, however, were so fragile it was believed for a long time that the crowns were specifically made for burials. Now, it is known that they were also used for ceremonial rites of the Silla royalty during the Three Kingdoms. Before Buddhism was adopted in Korea, Koreans practiced shamanism. Shamanism being the worship of nature. The crown we have here is the tree-shaped crown daewang. It has a naturalistic feel. It was worn around the forehead and found in royal tombs at the Silla capital, Gyeongju. Around this time, crowns were becoming more and more lavish with ornamentation and elongated branch-like decorum. This crown has three tree-like shapes that are supposed to evoke the sacred tree that once stood in the ritual precinct of Gyeongju. The sacred tree was known as the world tree, being an axis that connected heaven and earth. On the side of this crown, we see two antler-shaped parts. They represent the reindeer that were native to the Eurasian steppe. The branch-like features at the front of the crown have little jade ornaments in gold discs, gold representing power, jade representing health, fortune, and well-being. These little ornaments are called goguk. This image of the goguk hanging from the rim of the crown represent fruit hanging from trees, which represents fertility and abundance. This crown, at the time and even today, would have been a sight to see in the sunlight. Whoever wore it had a lot of power. Thank you for joining us today on this gallery talk and have a good rest of your day.